Yun guys, no, as I promise at the end of this video, papakita ko sa inyo yung withdrawal proof natin. So pupuntahan natin yung transaction guys. Okay, so 804 na receive natin. Kikita nyo naman. Alright, so yan, no, 804, yan yung naging transaction natin dito sa game na to. At na-receive natin yan within 10 minutes. Ganun kabilis yung withdrawal. So hopefully nakita nyo na effective at talagang legit itong earning application na i-discuss natin today. So panoorin nyo tong video ito.
At heto na ang ating GCash giveaway winners. Ganito lang kadali sumali sa ating GCash giveaway. I-like, mag-subscribe at mag-comment lang kung bakit ikaw ang dapat manalo ng ating GCash giveaway. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back dito sa ating channel. And today, ito yung ating withdrawal proof dito sa earning application na na-download natin sa Play Store. At itong game na to ay tinatawag na Tactile. So, bago natin ipakita yung withdrawal, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung gameplay kung gaano to kadali. Una sa lahat, meron tayong army dito. Na-upgrade ko na yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, insufficient na. Wala na akong way to upgrade. So, yung starting army ko ay 4. Or yan, click lang natin ganyan. And i-move lang natin yan sa, pwede natin siya multiply or plus. Depende sa atin. Kaya kung mas magaling kayo sa math, meron kayong advantage dito. So yun, pwede kayo mag-select ng weapon. May upgrades tayo. Ayan, iiwasan natin yung different obstacle while playing the game para hindi tayo mabawasan. 13 lang tayo, ganyan. Alright, so plus 10, syempre mas mataas yan. Okay, so yan, tap lang natin, select lang natin, iwasan natin yung target na yan kasi bomb yan eh. Okay, so katulad nyan, kita nyo, and plus 10 tayo. Okay, so yan, parami yung mga zombies, yung mga kalaban natin, iwasan natin yung mga obstacle, especially yung target na yan kasi mababawasan tayo ng malubha. And dito na yung sa ating barricade, dito na yung last part ng game. And yan, meron tayong chance na mag-multiply yung ating earnings. Pero in my case, receive na lang ang gagawin ko. At pwede tayo mag-select dito ng chest. Pwede tayo makuha ng 1,600 na blue cash dyan. So, skip natin. So, nakakuha tayo ng Lucky D. And press natin yung get. So, yun, congratulations. We have received the 5 bill, red bill, and the 1,600 blue bill. And meron tayong coins na nakuha na 1,400. Press lang natin yung I know. And ayun. So, makikita natin dito may button. Click lang natin sa baba. Ayan. So, nagkaroon ako ng malaking soldier na nabili natin kanina. So, yun. May mga option dito ng upgrades para meron kayong magandang starting point. So, ganun lang guys kadali yung game na to. And without further delay, meron tayong dalawang option dito ng withdrawal. First is the red banknote withdrawal and the blue banknote withdrawal. Papakita ko sa inyo yung red banknote withdrawal since meron na ako. So guys, ito naipon ko na kasi ito kasi nung na-feature natin tong game na to mga 2 days ago, nag-grind na tayo kaya nagkaroon tayo ng ganyang kalaking amount. And ang withdrawal method dito guys, meron tayong Lazada, GCash, Paymaya, GrabPay, and PayPal. So sa-select natin yung GCash since yan naman yung ating pinaka-easiest way to withdraw. Confirm natin and select natin yung choose an amount. So, select natin yung 2,700 and press natin yung withdraw button. Just like that. Your account has been certified as high quality account and automatically joins the value added plan. Withdraw immediately when the value added target is reached. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari dito guys. So ito legit withdrawal to guys. No? Makikita natin kung talaga nagbabayad ba itong Tactile. Press natin yung IC. Okay. So unfortunately no, meron na naman siyang nakalagay dito na must withdraw when full, no? So meron pa siyang interest, calculation 13 times full amount. So ibig sabihin bago natin ma-withdraw to, dapat mapaabot natin ng 5,400.
What do you mean by that?
At first nakita naman natin na naka-withdraw tayo dun sa blue bill account. So dito sa red banknote, kailangan natin ma-accomplish yung different tasks dito sa taas, no? Ayan. So, yun. So, makita natin na may challenge pala pagdating sa red banknote withdrawal. So, ito yung honest review natin, guys. Walang dagdag, walang bawas. And, tignan naman natin yung blue bank bill. Just like this. Okay, so my blue bill is 800 pesos. Ayan. Select natin yung GCash, guys. Ganon din yung options natin. Select natin yung GCash, press natin yung confirm, and withdraw all. Okay, so dyan nakalagay na yung aking GCash information and i-withdraw ko to. So dito guys, papakita ko sa inyo, no, sa mga succeeding footage na na-withdraw na itong 804. Take note of the amount, 804 yan guys. Papakita ko sa inyo kung pumasok yung blue bill. Okay, so ganito lang yan. Sa red bill, meron tayong task bago natin ma-withdraw lahat. At dun sa blue naman, automatically, once na ma-reach natin yung limit or yung requirements para makapag-download, automatically, mada-download natin or ma-withdraw natin yung money. So, press ko na lang yung happy to accept. So, yun, naging zero na yung withdrawable ko. And kung mapapansin natin dito sa history, meron akong naging successful withdrawal which is 280 pesos. So, waiting for 804. Hindi ko to i-upload tong video ko na to hanggang wala yung 804. Kung may bago na natutunan dito sa video natin, please like, share, and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, paalam.